It's so comfy. This is some of the softest material I have seen in cloud couch. I just got a 106-inch boneless couch and I'm about to open this up right now. And man, I love watching these things expand. It's so satisfying. My first thoughts on this material, this is super soft, and we even get these nice pillows. All you gotta do is just take them and fluff them up in the start, and you can see this actually take shape. This is actually gonna need about 96 hours to take full shape, and then I'm gonna check back with you later. Today I have this amazingly soft cloud couch. This thing is so comfy. What's going on, everybody? My name is TJ, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this corduroy 106-inch cloud couch. This is 100% boneless. This shows up in 2 boxes. All you have to do is open this up, and there's absolutely no assembly required, which makes these such a great option for people that live in apartments, or if you just wanna have your couch fully available and ready to use right out of the box. This is a corduroy material, can seat up to 3 people, no problem. You can see how much room we have. And this is a 70-inch long chase here, so it's gonna be great for gaming. You can even sleep on this because it's long enough. Super comfy pillows, guys. You're gonna get 2 throw pillows on the side, very soft, very comfortable. And you're also gonna get 3 back pillows. Again, very soft, very comfortable. This corduroy material, guys, is amazing. Look at this, guys. You can see it's changing direction there. The fibers are really long. It's gonna be skin friendly, pet friendly, and breathable. I love this part because you can just hang out here, relax. You can watch your favorite TV show, your movie. You could game perfectly because it's just very comfortable. You could even sleep on here if you do have extra guests in your home. They want to stay the night. This can actually be used as a bed as well. This is gonna be made with a 1-block, high-density foam, super comfortable, and you can tell that it's super high quality. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, guys, so I want to show you how wide these armrests are. Look at that room compared to my hand here. This is going to be perfect for setting a cup of coffee, a drink. You can even put your laptop over here like I like to do sometimes. I'll put my laptop here and I can sit down and actually work because this is totally flat, and with the high density foam, it offers a ton of support. And these throw pillows are super soft and comfy all the way through, guys. You're going to have 3 of those, 2 throw pillows. It's absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at the side here. This is a really nice height and very comfortable. Look at this material. This is some of the softest material I have seen in cloud couch. That is so nice. Very skin friendly. Really easy to clean too. I noticed if you just take a little handheld vacuum, you can clean this no problem. And with this super long chase on the side, it just provides another option. You can actually get this with the left chase or the right chase, which is just a great option depending on your home and your layout. Some people may not be able to accommodate the left chase or the right chase, so having both of those options is definitely going to help you out in styling your room. You can actually get this in black as well. This is going to be the gray color, and I'm absolutely loving it. Again, over on this side, you're going to have a huge armrest as well to put a laptop, a cup of coffee, some magazines, or you can even set your phone on here to charge it. You can put your remote controls in the back. If you have an outlet, you can have like a little charging station of some sort that you can't even see because the pillows block that. This is amazing, guys. Seats 3 people, no problem, and is some of the softest material I've ever seen. And you can quickly move this just like I did and turn this into a bigger bed or a hangout spot for your friends. So you can actually sit here and you can have somebody else sit right there, and you can look at each other. You can both work on your laptops, you can study together, or you can just hang out, be super comfortable, and carry out the conversation. And I do love also that this is in 2 pieces, because if you're throwing a party at your house or need additional seating in another room, you can easily move this around and shape it to wherever you want. Now, with a lot of options out there for cloud couches, this is one that I highly recommend because it is the softest fabric that I've ever felt. It's gonna be super skin friendly for you, for your kids, for your pets, easy to clean, and it's gonna be very durable and super comfortable with the high density foam. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.